Welcome back to the channel, guys. Thank you for tuning in. I'm gonna do a sound video of my new Khrome Werks exhaust that I put in. It's a full exhaust system with a stage 1 kit. Pretty excited about it. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some baffles in there as well. I bought some Ripper baffles from Khrome Werks, and we're gonna compare the sound. In my opinion, the baffles are freaking awesome. Take a listen. Enjoyed the video. The baffles make it sound that much more crisp. I like the exhaust, and I just felt like the sound was nice, bassy, deep, but it was not crisp. The baffles definitely make it nice and crisp and a lot louder than before. So yeah, I like the Ripper baffles quite a bit. They cost like 60 bucks, I think, or $69, and definitely worth the investment. I don't know why the sound wasn't like that from the beginning, but hey, I'm sure they have their reasons. But if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, comment, share, and until next time, guys, be safe.